Hi, welcome to GladyTech Fix Earn YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix chow token limit reached. If you see token limit reached on chow app, it means you have used maximum free messages or token allowed for chatting with AI bots. Here are some ways to fix it. Number 1. Wait for a daily reset. Chow usually reset token after some hours or the next day. You can also close the app and try again, just like this, and try again. The second step is to watch ad if available. Sometimes Chow gives extra token when you watch ad. For watch ad or get more message option. The third step is to restart the app. Close the Chow app completely. Now you go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, what I have to do here is to go to my app list and search for chow. Now you just click on this first stop, click on the OK option in order to stop it. Then you go back and open the app on your phone. That way it's going to help to give you extra more token on chow limits. The fourth step is to clear app cache. Sometimes trash can also limit your token on your chow app. So to do that, all you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, on my app list, just search for chow. Click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache in order to clear cache. The third step is to go to my Google Play Store. So right here on my Google Play Store, you just have to search for chow. Now if yours shows update, just click on the update option in order to update it. But if yours do not show, then that means it's okay. The sixth step you can take, which is the last step, is to upgrade to premium on your chow app. Chow offers premium subscription for unlimited and more tokens. So if you upgrade to premium, you have opportunity of having unlimited and more tokens, unlike people that do not upgrade to premium. So guys, I believe with this guide you'll be able to fix chow token limit reach. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTech Fix Earn for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.